Welcome to and today, for the first ever episode, we're making hot dogs. Here's what they will look like, at least for me. First, you need hot dogs, and the next one is optional. It's ketchup, and you need knife, and you need fork, and you need some bowls, and you need a pan, like duh. So first, get your pan. Who cares where it is? Once you got a pan. And fill it at least halfway. Now put it on the stove for later. Now so keep this locked. Now you want the hot dogs. I got the hot dogs. Now put them in the pan. Now unlock it. Now heat it up and wait for 10 minutes.
Why did they take so long to pull this?
And also, yeah, if it's boiling, you might want to do that. Also, have a supervisor take care of this stuff.
Classified music.
It's time to do that. See, stop boiling. You can get this. Turn it off. Control lock. So ignore my friend. He's actually making a movie here. He's editing a movie. It's not actually fully finished. It's called Darkness of the Fear. You should go watch it when it comes out. And also, it's time to put those in the bowl. After you're done with the what? Ow. Yeah. This is why I'm putting a warning in the video. Spooky. sorry. I'm crazy. Now, cut this with a knife. Or let your parents do it. Because, yeah, you might stab yourself. I'll do it off camera. And then pour ketchup if you want. Now enjoy your meal.